Marianne Binetti, and here it is in June, and I can finally determine how to prune my hardy fuchsia. Now, this shrub here is actually a fuchsia. It's not the more common fuchsia that is sold in baskets. It's a hardy fuchsia, which means it comes back year after year in our mild winter zone 7 climate in the Pacific Northwest, and it forms a shrub. The big mistake that I want you to avoid: don't prune back your hardy fuchsia too early in the spring. If you prune it too early, you're going to cause it to die back, and it may never return. So you don't want to prune it in March or April. Wait until June. So now that it's June, you can see here is dead brown branches, and mostly because I shortened these up in the spring, they were just in the way, and I killed this branch. And then here's the branches that were not pruned, and you can see all this green growth. There's still tip growth that is brown. So now's the time to go in here and remove the brown growth, leaving all the healthy green growth. Now I take these pruning crumbs. It happens to be extremely convenient that this hardy fuchsia is right next to a compost pile that I have back in the corner of my garden. I tend to put compost piles all over my garden in out-of-the-way corners, so that's always handy to just toss my pruning crumbs into them. So there I go. I'm going to just finish cleaning up, and this is going to look so much better once I get all this dead brown wood out of it. And then in another month or so, I'm going to see flower buds and then the dangling little fuchsia drops. They look like little earrings dangling from this fuchsia. This is a hardy fuchsia Magellan, and it is one of the important hardy fuchsia tips. Wait. Don't prune them too early. Wait till you see all the new growth come out on this plant, usually end of May, first part of June, and then get in here and clean up your hardy fuchsia. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.